If your manager came now and tell you, I want a presentation for the top management right now, or you have a very boring presentation and want to bring it to life, Gamma is the solution. Gamma, an AI presentation ideas technology that can take your text, your ideas, your existing file, and convert it to another level, and that all by one click. Let's see what we can do. After entering to Gamma, this is our profile. We will have create new from blank, or import existing file. Okay, so let's start with create new. We have paste in text, generate, import file. That we can use if you have a notes or outlines for your content. You can get it from ChatGPT or Gemini. Generate, you can use when you have a prompt, and you will use this prompt to create new file. Let's use it. And in a minute, you will find 8 cards he created. Then we only need to choose the theme. We will use this one, generate. Here we are, he created within 30 seconds. Everything, very professional presentation with pictures, with everything. Illustration, icons. We can modify or add anything we want. Here, we have a forms, buttons. We have here charts and diagrams. If you would need to add anything from email or anything, or PDF or Instagram, videos if you want to add any videos or anything. As you can see here, you can make and modify anything in the presentation in very professional way. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.